Hi, welcome to COM1250 Interpersonal Communication. My name is Marlene Adzima, and I will be your instructor for this class. I want to take a few minutes to show you around the course. Our course will run Monday through Sunday each week, with the exception of week 1 that starts on a Tuesday, and week 8 that runs one additional day. Each week, you'll want to start with the weekly announcement that can be found here on the course homepage. And here's where I'll post information for that week. And so you can see here the week 1 announcement's a little bit long because it's got a lot of important information to start the course. Make sure that you read this entire announcement this week, and you'll see information as you scroll down about what to do. So each week, there will be a to-do list. And so you want to make sure that you take a look at that, complete everything that needs to happen, and then you'll see learning objectives and additional content. So again, week 1's a little long because it's important information to get you started. So read that announcement each week. Here under the content tab is where you'll find everything you need each week. And so here's the Start Here module where you'll find this tour, copy of the syllabus, some tips for success. Here you can access our textbook. So we do have a free textbook that we use for this course. Here's a copy of the PDF, and here's a link. So you want to make sure that you access the textbook each week. Instructor contact information. I don't hold official office hours during the summer. The best way to reach me is through my Red Rocks email or through D2L. Through that email, I'm happy to meet with you by appointment if you need to get together during the summer. Make sure you read the discussion post guidelines, and then you'll see here each weekly module. So if you click over here, you'll see our week 1 module. And so each week you'll see a to-do list. If you click on that, you'll see the things that are due that week. This is a repeat of what's on the course home assignment. Click back up here to get back into that week's module. And then you'll see everything you need for that week. So for week 1, introductions, a short little mini lecture, discussion, syllabus, quiz. And so you can scroll through here and see what's due each week. And again, if you just click on the to-do list, you'll see what's going on. So if we go back to the weekly modules, you'll see all of those. And then you'll see the various assignments down here. And these will also be linked in each weekly module. But you'll find the rubric, and in this case, a sample student essay. So you can look at those. Some slideshows that are just view-only slideshows to accompany the chapters, some extra credit options, and some information about writing. Here is the assignments tab, and this is where you submit the written assignments for this course. These will be linked in the weekly modules, but they're also here as well. Here's a list of the weekly discussions. So you'll see all of the discussions here. The first week, since we start on a Tuesday, your initial response isn't due until Thursday. After that, your initial response will be due Wednesday each week, and then 2 peer or classmate responses due Sunday. You want to make sure that you address the specific questions within each of these in your responses, so the specific requirements. Here's a link to the quizzes. We have 5 quizzes in here and a course evaluation, and also a syllabus quiz. For each of the chapter quizzes, you'll have 2 opportunities to take the quiz, and your highest grade will be saved. Of course, if you take it once and you're happy with the grade, then great. Here's a list of your grades, and so I'll keep this updated as we go through the class. I have some rubrics linked for some of the written assignments, and you'll see any comments linked over here. Here's our class list, and I'm at the top of the list usually. And so if you need to email me, please internal message me through D2L this way or through my Red Rocks email. But if you can email through D2L in our class as opposed to typing my name up here, that would be very handy, since I actually have 2 identities in D2L, and this makes sure it goes to me, the instructor, versus me, the department chair. And so here I'm going to go back to our course homepage, and that is an overview of our class. Please reach out to me if you have any questions about anything at all, and I'm looking forward to a great class.